I want to take care of one small sum which explains the reconstruction of a partnership firm using formula for share sacrifice and formula for share gained by a partner under reconstitution of a firm. Look at the sum. Alpa and Smith are the partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. They decided to change their profit sharing ratio for future and it is agreed to be 1:3 respectively. So formerly they were sharing profits and losses equally. Now they want to change their share in profit and they have agreed 1:3. Find the sacrifice of share in profits by the partner. Look at the working, simple sum. Old share in profit of Alpa 1/2 and that of Smith is 1/2. Now new share in profit of Alpa is 1/4 and here it is 3/4. Smith new share in profit is 3/4. Now what's the formula for sacrifice? Sacrifice by a partner is equal to old share in profit less new share in profit. So old share in profit of Alpa 1/2, new share in profit is 1/4, 1/2 minus 1/4. So here 1/4 minus 1/4, 1/2 minus 1/4. So 2 minus 1 divided by 4, 1/4 is the share sacrificed by Alpa. Formerly her share was 50%, now share is 25%, new share is 25%, previous share was 50%, sacrifice 50 minus 25, 25% is a sacrifice, that means 1/4 sacrifice. In case of Smith, previous share was 1/2 means 50%, 3/4 means 75%. So here previous share was 50%, new share is 75%. He has not sacrificed, he has gained. So here negative sacrifice means gain. So negative sign signifies that Smith has not sacrificed but has gained share in profit. The important point to be noticed by you is the total of share gain is equal to total of share sacrificed. Here share gained by Smith is equal to 1/4 and share sacrificed by Alpa is 1/4. This is always equal. That's an important consideration that one should keep in mind. Now I want to take care of the same sum, not by sacrifice formula, but by gain formula. Look at it. Find the gain of share in profits by the partner. The sum is same. Now what was the old share? Old share was 1/2 and 1/2 for Alpa and Smith. New share is 1/4 and 3/4 for Alpa and Smith. Same sum is there. But I am going to apply which formula? Gain formula. Previously I applied which formula? Sacrifice formula. So here look at it. Calculation of share gain is as follows. Share gained by a partner is equal to new share in profit minus old share in profit. So share gained by Alpa, new share is what? 1/4, 1/2. 1/4 minus 1/2 means minus 1/4. Minus 1/4 means what? Negative gain. Negative gain means sacrifice. In case of Smith, new share is 3/4, less old share 1/4. 3/4 minus 1/2, 1/4 positive. So this negative sign of Alpa, the negative sign signifies that Alpa has not gained but has sacrificed. So the sacrifice of Alpa is 1/4 and share gained by Smith is 1/4. As I told you, total of share gained by the partner and total of share sacrificed by the partner is always equal. So here also 1/4 and 1/4. Share sacrificed and share gain are same. So same observation we get by applying gain formula, which we have already acquired. This understanding was acquired by us by using the sacrifice formula. This is just explained to explain the concept of reconstruction of a partnership firm.